Welcome back to Open House, where we bring you the best tips and strategies for real estate investing. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and potentially profitable investment strategies out there, purchasing tax liens in Massachusetts. Imagine earning a 16% return on your investment while helping local communities and potentially acquiring property at a fraction of its market value. Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out how you can get started. When a property owner in Massachusetts fails to pay their property taxes, the local government can place a lien on their property. This lien represents the amount of unpaid taxes plus any interest and penalties. Here's where it gets interesting for investors. So, how do you acquire a tax lien in Massachusetts? The process is quite straightforward. Local municipalities hold tax lien auctions, usually once a year. These auctions are typically announced on the municipality's website, in local newspapers, or through public notices. Let's break down the process into clear steps. Research. Start by researching upcoming tax lien auctions in the municipalities you're interested in. Check their websites or contact the tax collector's office for information. Registration. Register for the auction. This usually involves submitting an application and sometimes paying a registration fee. Due diligence. Before the auction, do your due diligence. Investigate the properties on the auction list. Look into the property's value, location, and any other liens or mortgages on it. This helps you make informed bidding decisions. Attend the auction. On the day of the auction, attend in person or online, depending on the municipality's procedures. Be prepared with your maximum bid amounts for each lien you're interested in. Bidding, place your bids. If you win, you'll pay the amount of the tax lien and receive a certificate of purchase. Post-auction. After the auction, you'll need to record your lien with the county to ensure your interest is legally recognized. Wait for redemption. Now you wait. The property owner has a redemption period to pay you back the amount of the lien plus interest. In Massachusetts, this redemption period is 6 months. During the 6-month redemption period, the property owner can pay off their tax debt plus the 16% interest, and you get your investment back with a healthy profit. If they fail to redeem the property within this period, you can initiate foreclosure proceedings to take ownership of the property. This, of course, requires additional legal steps and expenses. Now, let's delve deeper into the rate of return. In Massachusetts, the 16% interest rate is quite attractive compared to other investment options. However, it's important to remember that not all tax liens will be redeemed, and the process of acquiring and potentially foreclosing on a property can involve risks and additional costs. So, why invest in tax liens in Massachusetts? Let's highlight the main benefits. High interest rates. The 16% annual return is significantly higher than many traditional investments. Potential property ownership. If the lien isn't redeemed, you could acquire the property for a fraction of its market value. Secure investment tax liens are secured by the property, which adds a layer of security to your investment. However, like any investment, there are risks involved. The property could be in poor condition, or there might be other liens or mortgages that complicate the foreclosure process. That's why thorough due diligence is crucial before purchasing any tax lien. In addition to the financial aspects, there's also the community impact to consider. By investing in tax liens, you're helping local governments collect much-needed funds for public services like schools, roads, and emergency services. It's a win-win situation where you can earn a significant return while supporting your community. Now let's go over some advanced tips to maximize your success in tax lien investing. Network with local officials. Establish relationships with local tax collectors and municipal officials. They can provide valuable insights and keep you informed about upcoming auctions and any changes in procedures. Join investment groups. Join local or online real estate investment groups. These communities can be a great source of advice, shared experiences, and even potential partnerships. Hire a real estate attorney. Given the legal complexities involved, having a real estate attorney can be invaluable. They can help you navigate the foreclosure process and ensure all legal requirements are met. Use technology. There are software tools and online platforms that can help you track tax lien auctions, analyze properties, and manage your investments. Utilize these resources to stay organized and informed. Start small. If you're new to tax lien investing, start with smaller investments to learn the ropes. As you gain experience and confidence, you can scale up your investments. In summary, purchasing tax liens in Massachusetts can be a lucrative investment strategy, offering high returns and the potential to acquire valuable properties. However, it's essential to understand the process, conduct thorough research, and be prepared for the risks involved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate investing tips and insights. Have you ever invested in tax liens? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, see you at the open house.